Bissell pet hair eraser. The lithium ion cordless is the way to go when we are vacuuming out and cleaning our RV or vehicles, that sort of thing. But this thing's awesome. Just hit it once. You can see all the trash kind of whirlwinding inside there. But compared to our old Dustbuster or another handheld vacuum that we've had, this one is definitely more powerful, and the battery lasts a long time too. So we'll keep it fully charged, take off for the weekend or a week in the camper, and this will last all week, no problem. That's the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser.